Okay, guys, it's Mr. G, and hopefully yesterday, which was Monday the 30th, hopefully you were able to get in some of those resources, watch the or look at the presentation. It's a slide share, sort of a PowerPoint presentation of westward expansion. What it's the time period when people moved west of the Mississippi. They decided to expand from those 13 colonies that became 13 states, and then our nation expanded. So things like the Louisiana Purchase. All that is important during this time period because it expanded our territory. But people were now just exploring for the first time out west and settling out west for the first time, discovering out west for the first time. So it was a very adventurous time period in our history. So this, when you open up your WebQuest, it'll open up like this. So a couple things. This first page, do not worry about anything on this first page because it kind of talks about if you're typing it up in Word, if you're doing what we don't care how you submit your answers. Um, so just bypass, but it starts here. And there are two questions here. It says, why was the Oregon Trail so important? And what two areas did immigrants travel to? Here, right here is your links. When you click on these red links, it'll take you to some sites for you to read, for you to gain that information to answer these questions. Remember, you don't have to answer on this sheet. You don't have to print these out. You can do it on a separate sheet of paper. You can do it in a Word document. You can figure out whatever works for you best. But here's what you got to think when you get down here to discover these questions 3, 4, 5, there may be more. Let's look on the next page. 6 and 7 are all going to use these two links. So it's always the links are above the questions. It takes you through this. There's link here for 8 and 9. There is two links here for, or actually it's 4 links here for 10 and 11. So it gives you lots of resources to find the answers. But it's going to take you through some major topics, talking about things and how this westward movement and westward expansion impacted our Native American population that was already there. Remember, when we're discovering things, we're not discovering them. We're moving west. These are places that already had people living, um, but it's the expansion to west. So this goes all the way through question number 15. After question number 15, I want to say that there's a personal essay, it says, and it says to think about the things you learned through this and the things you learned. Now, all I want you to do for this is a little different, but all I want you to do is not do it. I want you to not do the essay. So this is stuff that we were going to do in class and some other stuff that we can't do because we're not together. Um, so once you get to number 15, stop. Do not do the personal essay. Do not complete this part because we're not together to gain all the stuff we need for this. So 15 questions with the links. You should be able to do that fairly easy. Good luck, and let's keep learning.